Hello, good evening. You are welcome. And then you bring so your mama kwaba eba and the edition so. Let me say we started last week about how to learn sign language, and today is the third time of the lesson. The master will say when Saka video here, we share this video to people for those who are ready to learn sign language, how to communicate with the deaf. Ti medawasi. Last week, yeah, and they J, you started from A, B, C, D up to G, and then about the twaso. Now, yeah, BBBR. And the previous video, no, two videos are either winning. You can go and watch it. We have the previous video. The two videos. Go and watch. This is the third one. To know the alphabet in the sign language. The yet also we continue. You baby is here. Yes, we sign language. A bit one kasa. Yet also from J. Now you do Z. Till last week you do J T J. Me say what you J. I when say J. J and yet also from J T J K L M N. The difference between M and N is the M goes with 3 fingers. Well, the N goes to only 2 fingers. Well, so M goes like this, N goes like this. You get me? M N O P. The K goes like this. Then the P comes down. What I say? P O P. Wow. Q R S T. You see the T goes like this. T. You see T. U V W X Y Z. You started beam. You go starting from J beam. We are starting from J again. J K and J K L M N O P. Q. You see Q R S T. U V W X Y Z. So it goes A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T T. QRST. U V W X Y Z. Now we finish with the alphabet. So from letter A to letter Z. So video A, video B, video C. Yeah, the kyerɛ sign language, you know. The kyerɛ alphabet, you know, how to learn the ABCD in the how do you call it, in the sign language. The next video you better start it. The next video you better start to say come, go, how, who, is. You better start it. 2 letter words, 3 letter words, 2 letter words. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share this video to others. Subscribe to the YouTube channel YSLGH. What I say? YSLGH. That means Yehuda Sign Language Ghana. All is in capital letters. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.